Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my bike check 2015. You know what it is. Starting off, we got a ODI extra long grips with ODI bar ends, volume staple stem with volume Drew Hasselton bars. Then we got that premium headset with the big top cap it comes with. And we're rocking Demolition Elite forks, BSD Donna Squeak tire 2.4, Primo front wheel VS rim N4 FLV2 hub. We got premium cranks, Primo pedals JJ Palmier, and my most favorite thing, the Sunday broadcaster frame with a Primo free mix laced to the VS rim, and a Kink Pilot V2C pivotal, and back tire Odyssey Chase Hawk tire. Both tires are gray, running the free mix hub guards, non-drive and drive. Madera spline drive sprocket guard sprocket. We got just a Colt chain, and for pegs I'm running Colt butters on the drive side, and then Demolition dump chuck, which they don't sell anymore, on the non-drive. And then yeah, that's about it. Bike's real dialed. You want to hear? So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and be on the lookout for my upcoming edit. Thank you.